So hey guys, welcome back from another video, and today we have got this MX Master 3S. This mouse is very famous. I don't have need to tell that how much famous is this mouse. So basically this is my primary mouse from last few years, and I'm using this mouse from editing to programming to everything. So let us unbox the all new MX Master 3S in white color, and also we will discuss the features about it. So here's the box of all new MX Master 3S in white color. As you can see, here are some mentions like it is made for Mac, and you can also use it with your iPad. So here are some basic features like max speed scroll wheel, and you also get that comfort and support. This is very ergonomic mouse because you get a lot better grip as compared to other mouses. So here are some basic features of it. Let's open the box and see what we get inside it. So let me open it from here. Here is our main box, and if I will tilt it, so it is open like that. Yeah, here we get our mouse, and it looks stunning in white color. Seriously, I have been using this in black color from last few years, and honestly I'm telling you, I like both of them because they both look so stunning aesthetically. So here you can compare. It is like, in my opinion, looks are based on perspective, so it depends person to person. Somebody will like black color, somebody will like also white color. So it is like, it depends on your need. Look at this scroll wheel, it's so smooth, like you will scroll and it will keep moving. So it feels so satisfying. Even I'm not using it, I like to scroll this just like a fidget spinner. You will get it inside your mouse. Now let's get back on the serious topic. So the sound of this click is so tactile because it feels another level of satisfaction when you will click on this mouse. And if I will turn this, you will get like the switch button where you can switch from one device to another. Basically you can connect it with 3 devices at the same time, and you can switch it from this button. And let's see what we get. Here are some basic paperwork which nobody reads, and you also get this charging cable. And if I'm talking about charging, let us see what we get the battery backup of this. So basically if you will charge it once, you will easily get a battery backup of nearly around like 70 days. So basically if you are using it heavily, you will easily get like 2 months of battery backup. That is more than enough if you will charge it once. And you can also compare it, the both colors of this mouse. Personally, my reason was to choose this mouse was its ergonomic grip. The most important reason is the grip of this mouse, and it is so comfortable to use this mouse from longer sessions. And also the side scroll of this mouse is so smooth, and it is so helpful, and it can also go around like 8000 dpi, which is very helpful for sensitivity. So my reason was that to choose this mouse. If you like anything about this, do hit the like button, and please subscribe to Incremental Nova for more such content, and let me guys see in the next video.